Okay, everyone, I have, as you see, I put both the M48 Ops bags on my British, whatchamacallit? And yes, both could easily put on here. What I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to put the Yugoslavian. I'm going to try to buy the, well, I'm going to buy the Yugoslavian. Best case, it's on sale. And I'm going to put, if I have anything left, I'm going to put this on here. It's a small little kit, you know, that has whatever. I actually don't remember what's in here, actually. I got to see afterwards. But yeah. Yeah, this is why I wanted these for Christmas. They put onto the belt of the British thing. So, yeah. Hopefully this actually... Oh, yeah, yeah. By the way, you can actually fit these on here. You don't even need to snap these at all. Because they're there, yeah. So, yeah. Wait, I have this upside down. Holy crap. That's the brand if you care. Oh, I gotta redo this. But anyway, peace.